Husqvarna Mobility has revealed its 2025 FC250 and FC450 Factory Edition motocross machines, both designed for ultimate performance, utilizing cutting-edge technology, championship-winning components, and a sleek new Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing livery. These models are tailored for riders looking for an edge on the track, with each bike offering advanced customization and the most up-to-date features available in modern motocross. Both the FC250 and FC450 are assembled with top-tier parts that maximize durability and overall performance, providing riders with an enhanced riding experience tailored to their individual needs and racing style. These bikes are designed for the serious racer who seeks the ultimate in performance, agility, and customization. The 2025 Factory Edition models come equipped with a suite of advanced electronics to allow riders to adjust and fine-tune their riding experience. Both machines feature the Connectivity Unit Offroad (CUO), which pairs with the Ride Husqvarna Motorcycles app on a smartphone. This app allows riders to choose from preset engine maps based on track conditions, and the maps can be further personalized to optimize engine braking, launch control, and traction control. Additionally, the system enables adjustments to the quickshifter sensitivity, ensuring that the bike adapts to the rider's style, speed, and ability. This level of customization provides an on-track advantage, allowing for superior performance across different racing surfaces. Riders can also use the app to track their performance, recording lap times and the most efficient lines around a track, helping them to refine their skills and reduce their lap times. Premium components for maximum performance. Both the FC250 and FC450 Factory Edition models are built with premium components to maximize performance and durability. These include the factory racing wheel set, which is paired with Dunlop GEOMAX MX34 tires, providing superior grip on a variety of racing surfaces. The machines are also equipped with factory racing triple clamps that offer adjustable handlebar mounts, allowing for 2 positions and the option to fit them with or without rubber dampers. This customization option ensures the bikes are finely tuned to the rider's preferences, improving overall handling and comfort. Additionally, the bikes come with a range of other premium parts, such as a 2K carbon composite skid plate and front disc protector, enhancing durability and protection. The inclusion of a Reckless clutch cover, WP factory start device, and a Guts factory racing seat cover further elevates the bike's competition-ready specifications. Riders can expect unmatched reliability and performance, even in the toughest racing conditions. For those who require an even more personalized setup, the WP suspension system offers adjustable settings that can be fine-tuned to meet specific racing needs. All of these features work together to provide a high-performance experience on every ride, whether on the track or in the toughest conditions. Advanced ergonomics and chassis design. The 2025 Factory Editions are not just about high-tech electronics and components, they also excel in their ergonomics and chassis design. The modern bodywork is designed with ergonomics in mind, ensuring that riders have easy movement and control over the bike during intense rides. The frame is made from high-quality chromium molybdenum steel, finished with a premium white powder coating to not only improve durability but also to enhance the bike's aesthetic appeal. This frame construction is paired with a topology-optimized die-cast aluminum swingarm, which offers superior rigidity while maintaining the lowest possible weight. The hybrid aluminum polyamide subframe construction is calculated for optimal rigidity and durability, ensuring that the bike holds up under the stress of competitive racing. Suspension is another key focus for these factory editions. The WP XACT 48mm front forks with AER technology offer progressive damping towards the end of the stroke, allowing for smoother rides and improved handling. The WP XACT rear shock features a CFD-optimized main piston and tool-free adjusters for easy adjustments on the fly, while the optimized rear shock linkage provides refined chassis rigidity. This setup ensures superior cornering agility, comfort, and overall bike control for the rider, contributing to faster lap times and more precise cornering. Whether on rough tracks or smoother circuits, the 2025 FC250 and FC450 Factory Editions deliver exceptional performance and comfort. Pricing and availability. The 2025 FC250 and FC450 Factory Edition models will be available globally from early 2025, but pricing may vary depending on the region. For those interested in purchasing, it's advisable to contact local Husqvarna mobility dealerships for specific pricing and availability details. The bikes will be available through authorized dealerships worldwide, offering riders the opportunity to get their hands on these high-performance machines designed for the competitive motocross scene. Additionally, for those who wish to personalize their bikes further, Husqvarna is offering optional number decals that replicate the bikes of professional riders, with the FC450 coming with Malcolm Stewart-inspired number 27 decals and the FC250 featuring RJ Hampshire's number 1 decals. In addition to the bikes, Husqvarna is offering a selection of functional clothing designed for comfort, style, and safety, allowing riders to complete their competition look. The Rockstar Replica Team Collection includes casual items like t-shirts, jackets, pants, and caps, all styled to match the factory edition bikes. This clothing line complements the motocross gear and gives riders the chance to wear the same styles as the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing team. This range is now available at Husqvarna dealerships, ensuring that riders can look the part while competing with confidence.